Who does not love flowering plants? Watching them grow and develop buds and watching those buds bloom into a wonderful flowers that leave you absolutely awestruck. When you see them, flowering plants are the biggest delight to have at home. But the concern of a lot of home gardeners lays in the fact that none of these flowers last more than a few months. But what if we told you that there are few different type of flowers that bloom almost 365 days a year when cared for properly? So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. In this video, we have a list of flowering plants that will leave you awestruck with their vibrant and year-round bloom. So let's start the video. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks once again.